I had so much fun at the Coca-Cola Food Marks Creator Summit last May 17 in BGC. Syempre, nagpa-register muna tayo and I got this creator kit na OMG, ang daming laman. Nag-enjoy din ako sa bawat booth and activities. Sa Trail of Flavors, ayan, natalo ako kaagad. Meron din dito yung Food Marks Spell Eat Out game. Nagpa-cute din ako sa convex mirror pin. Of course, dapat may souvenir photo from the 0.5 photo booth. I designed my own flask then using this sticker pack and this super cute tumbler. Super saya din to see again my content creator friends and idols. Nandito din yung mga foodie idol natin, si Juju Mao, Abby, and Ikoy. Insightful talaga yung mga shinare nila as foodies. May only Coca-Cola pa, legit. This is how you start a foodie day. Hindi lang to basta event. This is your guide to the best local food spots na perfect for chikahan, kulitan, at syempre Coke. Check out the Food Marks Hub online to see all the partner restos near you. And upon checking, dito kami pumunta sa A1 Premium Shabu Shabu. I got the US short rib, sobrang tender tapos freshly cut. Set na ito with veggies, noodles, at iba pa. Refillable ang soup, beef, and vegetable ang pinili namin. Syempre, gumawa kami ng sarili naming sauce for the hot pot. Grabe, winner, and ang sarap, busog na busog kami. Dahil para sa amin, meals are best paired with a ice-cold Coca-Cola. Perfect talaga to sa hot pot cravings ko. Scan the QR, bring your barkada, and don't forget, enjoy your meals with Coke!